Oh, easy, 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 easy.
Good start. The team building events has started. So face runners, caterpillars, rollers, obstacle runners, let's begin! Alright.
Go, go, go!
Magandang umaga, everybody. Welcome to the Radical team building event for the day. Now do not reach up here. Don't think too much, guys. Just get in, have some fun, paint some faces, and make the best Liberty Medical sign. You have 10 minutes of your activity before we go into a transition.
Last person. Last person through. Last person. Go, go, go! Next five, next five! Yeah! Go, Comfort! Nice.
Go, Ivy! Go, 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 Ivy!
Sige lang, Ivy, kaya pa yan!
Kaya pa yan! Kaya pa! Go!
Dali! Go, 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 go! Sige, kaya pa yan! Kaya pa yan! Next one! Next one! Next one! Go!
Go, go, go! Kaya pa, bilis!
Habol pa! Habol pa!
Obstacle runners, how you doing?
Go, go! Bilis! Sige na! Go!
Kaya pa yan! Habol pa! 7,000 pesos!
Oh, sige na! Go!
Isa muna! Pupunta doon!
Isa pupunta doon!
Dili!
Go, go, go!
Best Liberty Medical photo wins.
Takbo na!
Wait! Last tip! Go! 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 Jump! Go! Jump!
Rollers.
Come on, team! Cheer your team!
Go, Ivy!